Hello again, comic cuties, and welcome to Cosmic Chronicles, your one-stop destination for all things beyond our little blue dot. I'm your host, Nebula, on a mission to unravel the mysteries of the universe, one galaxy at a time. So prepare for liftoff as we journey to the edges of knowledge, where stars are born, planets die, and cosmic mysteries unfold. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Now, without further ado, let's dive right into today's stories. Imagine a telescope so powerful that it can zoom in on an alien planet located 40 light-years away. Well, get ready to be amazed because the James Webb Space Telescope just did exactly that. This incredible telescope took a close look at TRAPPIST-1c, a rocky exoplanet in the TRAPPIST-1 star system. But before we get too excited, it's important to note that this planet is not exactly a welcoming place for life. According to a recent study published in the journal Nature, TRAPPIST-1c is most likely a barren rock with no atmosphere. In fact, it might have a really thin CEO atmosphere, thinner than even Earth or Mars, and no clouds. TRAPPIST-1 is a red dwarf star, the most common type of star in our galaxy. Studying the planets that orbit these stars gives us valuable insights into the potential for life in the universe. Unfortunately, in the case of TRAPPIST-1c, the chances of finding life are extremely slim. By analysing data collected by the James Webb Telescope, scientists determined that the planet's surface temperature is a scorching 225 degrees Fahrenheit. With such high temperatures and no significant atmosphere, it's simply not habitable for life as we know it. But despite this disappointment, the fact that we can gather such detailed information about distant planets is truly extraordinary. And who knows what other fascinating discoveries await us in the vast expanse of space? Imagine a planet 3 times the mass of Jupiter, orbiting a young sun-like star 87.5 light-years away. This incredible discovery was made by astronomers using the W.M. Keck Observatory on Mauna Kea, Hawaii Island. But what makes this discovery even more remarkable is the method they used to find it. Instead of relying on indirect methods like observing the dimming of starlight or changes in star frequencies, they directly captured images of the planet. This is one of the lowest mass planets ever discovered using this technique, called astrometry. Astrometry measures the subtle movements of a host star over many years to detect the gravitational tug of orbiting companions like planets. The team, led by astronomy graduate student Kyla Franson at the University of Texas at Austin, processed the observations in real time, removing the glare of the star to reveal the planet. The longer they observed, the more apparent the planet became. The direct images showed that the planet, named AF-Let-B, has a mass 3 times that of Jupiter and orbits a young sun-like star called AF-Leporis. This discovery opens the door to using astrometry as a new tool for exoplanet discovery. By combining direct imaging with astrometry, astronomers can find planets that were previously difficult to detect. This method allows for the measurement of a planet's mass and can uncover planets that are far from their host star or have low mass. Imagine a collision so powerful that it can destroy a star. Astronomers studying a gamma-ray burst have witnessed this incredible phenomenon. Unlike most gamma-ray bursts caused by exploding stars, this burst came from the collision of stars or stellar remnants. It's like a demolition derby in space. The astronomers spotted this enormous explosion using the Gemini South Telescope in Chile. This cosmic blow-up was triggered by a type of star death that scientists have long hypothesized but never observed. The collision occurred in the dense environment surrounding a supermassive black hole at the core of an ancient galaxy. The gamma-ray burst was located about 3 billion light-years away from Earth, in the constellation Aquarius. It may have been caused by 2 compact stars, possibly neutron stars, colliding near a giant black hole. These doomed stars packed the mass of our sun into a sphere the size of a city. This discovery is groundbreaking for understanding how stars die and what unexpected sources could create gravitational waves. Ancient galaxies hosting these star demolition derbies are full of dense stellar remnants, including black holes and neutron stars. The team hopes to discover more of these stellar events and match them with gravitational wave detection. Studying gamma-ray bursts like these pushes the boundaries of our knowledge and reveals the wonders of the universe. Get ready for a spectacular show in the sky. Europe's Ariane 5 rocket is set to launch on the United States Independence Day, July 4th. Originally scheduled for June 16th, the launch was delayed due to a potential problem with the rocket's pyrotechnical transmission line. But now, the issue has been resolved and the Ariane 5 is ready to take flight from Europe's spaceport in French Guiana. During its final mission, the Ariane 5 will deliver 2 satellites to geostationary transfer orbit, a crucial step on their journey to geostationary orbit. The first satellite, Heinrich Hertz satellite, will conduct research and test new communications technologies for the German space agency DLR. The second satellite, Syracuse 4, will be operated by the French military and ensure constant connectivity during deployment. But that's not all. Syracuse 4 is designed to withstand extreme jamming methods and support operations led by NATO and the EU. The Ariane 5 has been a reliable workhorse in the space industry since its debut in 1996, with an impressive 116 liftoffs under its belt. It has carried prestigious payloads like ESA's Rosetta Comet, Chasing Mission, and NASA's James Webb Space Telescope. But soon the Ariane 6 will take over as Europe's new heavy lifter, marking the end of an era for the Ariane 5. The Ariane 6, after a decade of development, is expected to make its debut later this year. So mark your calendars for July 4th and witness the final launch of the Ariane 5, a rocket that has left an indelible mark on space exploration.